Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This time we are going to discuss functions in database programming, and we are going to do it in a group of 10. So yeah, let's start. And we have already created a database called bank, and it has a table called customers, and the first function we are going to do is sum. So we go ahead and do sum. So here we are going to say select sum of deposit from as total deposit from customers. Then we terminate and say enter. So that is the sum of all deposits. Then now we are going to get the sum of the customers according to their gender. So we say select gender and also sum then of deposit as deposit as total deposit total underscore deposit and total underscore deposit, yes, from customers group by gender. Group by gender, yeah. Then terminate, then say enter. So that is it. They've said male and female, and these are the totals for the male and female. So now we are going to use the having clause as we are using this sum function. So we are going to say select gender select gender and we want also the sum. We are selecting gender and the sum of deposits as total deposit from our table customers and we are going to say group by gender having the sum of deposit greater than greater than 100, 120,000. 120,000, yes. Yes, that is it. And then we terminate. And then press enter. So we'll have total deposit, yes, as from customers, yes, we group by gender. We group by gender. Then, yes, we are selecting total deposits from our table customers. Then we group by gender and say having the sum of deposit the sum of the deposit being greater than let's say 1,200,000. 1,200,000. Yes, that is it. So we terminate, then press enter. So that is, we have only gotten the mail and it's 1,500,000, and that is how we use the sum function in database programming. So I'll let another person take you through another function. Thank you.
So I'm going to take you the min function. This is an aggregate function that is used to return the smallest variable described column. So I'm going to say min. I'm going to say select min. I want to return the smallest deposit, the lowest deposit. So I'll say select min. Then in the brackets I put deposits because I want to return the lowest deposit. I say deposit. Then I say as lowest deposit from customers. That's the table name. Customers. Then I terminate. Then I press enter. So that's the lowest deposit. So I'm now going to using min with a condition. So I'll say select min. I'll say select min, then put the closing brackets. then I say as lowest deposit is lowest deposit in database DB as lowest deposit in DB from customers, that's the table name, customers, where customer ID, so that's the condition, customer ID is equal to let's say 001. Then I terminate, then I press enter. So we have an error, a non-column custom ID in here. So I'll copy it to correct the error. So they are saying we have an unknown column customer ID. So instead of 001, I'll put 0, I'll put 1. So I press enter. Then I'll copy it again to correct the error. So it select mean deposit as lowest deposit in the table which is called customers, where customer ID is equal to 1. So they are telling us to have column customer ID. Oh, it's called, instead of customer, we shall put customers. So that's where the error is. So I'll say where customers ID is equal to 1. So press enter. So that's the lowest deposit in database. So there I was using mean with the condition. So that's all about mean function. Allow me invite another member to take you through some other function. Thank you.
My name is Amasita Lydia, 2023, PIT 066 PS. So I'm going to take you through round and now. Yes, so we begin. It says select round. Open brackets. brackets, then you say age, comma, 0, close, as round average age, comma, this thing say now, open the brackets and close, this as then you shall say current time, or we shall begin with capital letters, current, then you say from customers, and you terminate, press enter. Yeah, so shall welcome another one, take us through.
I'm going to take you through the uppercase function. So in our table, let me first see. So you can see that the names in our table have the names are in small letters, but then I would want to make them into capital letters, the uppercase. Like I want to take them from small letters to capital letters. So I'm going to start by select. We have the customer ID. Customer ID. Then we have the new case. So we want this column to have new case. This column we want it to have capital letters. So we put first name. Then we put we continue with second name. Second name. After comma, put the gender. Age. Gender, age. Then we're going to put the deposit. So we also specify from the table customers. because here in our table we have customers. Okay, then we terminate and enter. Unknown column customer ID. Unknown column customer ID. Include list. Oh, we forgot to put the A6 customer's ID, not customer ID. It's customer's ID. So you have to be very careful. So now it has returned where we put the use case. Where we put the use case, it has returned the names with the with capital letters as the first names, because we only specified it to bring capital letters in the first names, but then the second names remain. So if you want to do the same for second names, all you have to do is specify that you want it as new case. You specify that you want it as uppercase. So you come and put it for new case uppercase. Okay, then we terminate, and so it has returned both the first names and second names in uppercase. So that's how you use the uppercase function, and let me invite someone else to take you through another function. Thank you.
So I'm going to be doing the mid function, which basically just helps us to return a substring from a string. I'm going to be returning values for abbreviations from the second name. I'm going to select customer ID. Brackets. Second name. Returning first three characters from that. And you're saying as an abbreviation. will be summarized.
Now, Mr. Abad, I'm going to present the concat and links function. For here, start this. Okay. First name. Comma, customer, ID. From customers. Terminate.
fields. We have an error. Card. Its full name. Field list. First name does not exist. So in this table, our fields, let's describe it and see. I'm going to first describe our table. Customers. So we use the second name. That's why we have an error here. And next some concat from customers. I did it again. I have to change it here as well. The second name. Customer ID. It is customers. Second name. Customers ID. Second name. I changed it. Then, yeah. We have another person doing that. Good morning. My name is Ipina Ravi, and I am here to do the lowercase. We had already done the uppercase, so I'm supposed to do the lowercase. Yeah, so we shall from here we shall select then we put a comma and so lowercase. And we indicate, we put in brackets what we want to put in lowercase. That's the first name. And maybe if you also want to put the second name, we also indicate and say second name. First name, so lowercase, we indicate lowercase. Second name. Yeah, and still, so we indicate the rest of what we had, other attributes that we had. So we had age, we had as so the post, and we indicate from Joseph from the table is called customers. Yeah. So select from customers ID and put a comma, lowercase. So what we had.
put terminate as, yeah, that is what it can show. So the lowercase, it's everything. We indicated the first name and the second name. So every, which means that everything will be in lowercase. Let's invite the other person to give you that. Thank you.
Hello again. My name is Emily Tarikunda, and I'm going to go through the max function, the maximum, which basically helps us to return the highest value. So we can use it with numeric data, string data, date data. We can also use it with a where clause, and you can use it with subqueries. So I'm going to first use it with numeric data. We select the maximum, let's say deposit, from our table customers. Then I terminate. So our maximum deposit is 800,000. So we are going, let me use it to select using numeric data. Select the maximum. No, I'll select all from our table customers, and then I will implement the where clause as well, where our first name is equal to, then I want to put a subquery as well. So this is our subquery. Select the maximum last name, like the maximum first name from our table customers. So now here I've used the same command to use maximum with the strings, which is the first name, and I implemented a subquery in the same command, and I also used the where clause. So now I'm going to invite my other group member to help me with another function.
My name is Repeat. Reg number 2023-9267 PS. So I'm going to work on the count. So as we all know, count is used to count all the numbers in a row in the table. So if you want to count the numbers of rows in the table, let me say you want to count everything in this table customer. So we will say select count, then select count, or select count or from our table, which is customer, and terminate. So if we press enter, so after this, our table is having our table is having 5 rows So now if you want to use count with the condition, so you say with the where condition, you say select. Let's make it in cap. Select count all. Yeah, select count all. Let's give it a name as a class. Select count all as class from this table of ours, from our table, which is customer. Now our condition is where. We use where for the condition, so where. Where gender, let's use gender. Where gender is equals to female. So where gender equals to female. So it's showing us that in this table we are having three females in this table. So that's why the output is 3.
So I was the next discussant, and my name is Akoze Sheila 20 February 241 BS. So I'm going to take you through average command. So we are going to first see how our table looks like using select command. Select all. Select all from customers, then terminate. So this is how our table looks like. So we're going to look for average using select command. We're going to select average, then into deposit. Let's look for the average for deposit, and bracket from customers, and terminate, then enter. So we can now deposit. Oh, last page wrong, so I'm going to copy this. Control copy, then Control V, then we change the spelling, which is deposit, enter. So this is our average deposit. Then we are going to look for the average for 2 columns. So I'm going to say select average, we're going to put 2 brackets, average. We're going to look for average for customer ID and deposit. So we're going to say customer ID, customer ID, plus deposit, then customer ID plus deposit, then we have to close, divide by 2, then we again close, customer ID divide by 2, then we're going to save it as average deposit. Let's save it average deposit, average deposit, as average deposit, then group by the average deposit, then group by customers ID, customers ID, terminate, customers ID, then we terminate, customers ID, group by customers ID deposit, one is customer's ID. Customer's ID. It is customer ID, not customer's ID. So we are going to copy this. Going to copy. Control. Then we are going to remove S. Non-column customer ID in the foreign list. Customer ID. Select average. The customer ID. Bank select average. Put the customer ID. Then again copy it. Control copy. Control. Customer must be post. Then enter. Another column. Customer ID. So still we are going to copy this. Control copy and Control V. Select average. Average deposit group by customer ID. So when you press enter, then we select all. Select all from customers. Select all from customers. Then we terminate, enter. So this is how our table will be like. So this is the end of our presentation, our online presentation. Thanks for watching.